Hey there! Welcome to Legend Finance. Today, we're diving into the top 5 AI side hustle opportunities tailored just for you. Whether you're a tech guru or a newbie, there's something for everyone. With Legend Finance, let's turn those tech dreams into reality. Ready to get started? Let's make your hustle legendary. Idea number 1. Selling personalized notebooks using AI is gaining traction. Etsy is a proven platform for this, with some shops recording nearly 40,000 sales and earnings surpassing $1.4 million. The attraction? Etsy shoppers gravitate toward unique and customizable items. Consider another shop that consistently generates over $10,000 monthly. The secret isn't just creativity, but also the tools used: ETL and AI-driven design software. Pairing this design process with print-on-demand services, especially Printify, simplifies the journey. They handle the intricacies of printing, packaging, and shipping. And if anyone's looking for a guide to merging Etsy and Printify seamlessly, there's a wealth of YouTube tutorials available. Here's the essence. Design with ETL, collaborate with Printify, and watch the sales roll in on Etsy. The possibilities don't end with notebooks. AI's potential stretches far, touching realms like YouTube support services and beyond. Idea number 2. For YouTubers across the spectrum, the content creation process, from brainstorming to scripting, is a comprehensive journey. While some have the luxury of dedicated teams, many in our community rely on virtual assistants to facilitate this intricate process. ChatGPT, crafted by OpenAI, emerges as a collective tool for us. Whether you're just diving into YouTube or are a seasoned content creator, ChatGPT offers the capacity to generate fresh content ideas, propose engaging video titles, and even outline scripts. And the beauty is that it's accessible to everyone with its free version. In our diverse YouTube community, there's a shared experience: the challenge of balancing multiple responsibilities. The fusion of AI with the expertise of a virtual assistant can be the collaborative solution many of us seek. Think of ChatGPT as a shared resource, enhancing our virtual assistants toolkits. For those among us eager to extend support to fellow YouTubers, it's all about proactive outreach and showcasing collective value. And as a nod to the versatility of AI, it's not just about video content. It's also opening doors for self-publishing books, a venture accessible and beneficial to all. Idea number 3. Exploring the realm of publishing on Amazon KDP is an exciting journey many of us can embark on. Whether it's planners, journals, or those ever-popular coloring books, there's a space for all of us to share our creativity. And for those curious about how to get started, there are some videos out there that introduce the use of a tool called Book Bolt. Coloring books, for instance, have made quite the splash on Amazon. It's a collective achievement to see coloring books, even the simple ones, fly off the virtual shelves, with some bringing in about $4,000 in monthly revenue. That's the power of community and shared creativity. If you're leaning towards design, Midjourney offers a fantastic platform for all of us to generate bespoke images. Once joined, the community helps, guiding on generating the right images tailored to individual tastes. And if crafting the perfect prompt becomes a shared challenge, there's PromptBase, a community-driven platform with prompts crafted by our fellow creators. After designing, the next collective step is bringing those designs to life. Book Bolt offers a community-friendly approach, making it easier for all of us to navigate Amazon KDP's requirements. With its rich collection of shared resources like stock images, graphics, and fonts, combined with our Midjourney designs, we can all contribute to the vast world of coloring books on Amazon KDP. For anyone in our community looking to dive deeper, a multitude of online tutorials await, ensuring all of us, from beginners to pros, have the resources to succeed. Idea number 4. Many of us are navigating the rich tapestry of the creative market, and one avenue gaining traction is selling mugs. By exploring tools like Marmalead, the collective wisdom of our community has unveiled promising niches like cactus mugs, yoga mugs, and the ever-charming corgi mugs. If anyone wishes to embark on a similar creative path, there's an accessible free trial of Marmalead, enabling all of us to pinpoint our unique product niches. These designs, built upon community insights, have gained significant attention, boasting high search volumes with minimal competition on Etsy. Together with the wonders of AI, we're able to manifest captivating mug designs. Platforms like ETL have proven valuable for many. Through ETL's AI, for instance, whimsical corgi images have been conceived and further embellished using the platform's extensive element library. Elevating these designs and sharing them with a broader audience has become a popular experiment among peers. By transferring them onto mugs via platforms like Printify and showcasing them on Etsy, we open the door for the wider community to engage and appreciate. The convenience is undeniable. As these designs resonate and are purchased, Printify handles the logistics, making this venture a potential passive income source for many. Idea number 5. In the world of digital content, eBooks stand out as a repository of shared knowledge and insights. For those of us who contemplated penning down our own experiences and thoughts, the challenge often lies in articulating and structuring them. Thankfully, with tools like ChatGPT, we're not alone. It serves as an able companion, aiding in formulating titles, refining paragraphs, or overcoming writer's block. While working on an ebook, having a simple Word document open to integrate inputs from ChatGPT can be incredibly helpful. Putting together an ebook is like creating art. While some of us prefer Canva, the choice of platform is as varied as our narratives. It's worth noting that the decision of where and how to share our digital creations is entirely up to us. Platforms like Corgi are making it increasingly convenient to share our work right from our social media handles. It's always enriching to grow and learn together. Let's share our thoughts and preferences. Which topics resonate with our community the most? Perhaps exploring those avenues in depth can be our collective next step. All right, legends, we have arrived at the end of our excursion through the vast and fascinating world of the top 5 AI side hustle opportunities available today. It is a thrilling world out there, teeming with potential. And the wonderful thing about AI is that it is always evolving, just like us. This makes it a perfect complement to the world we live in. Whether you're a seasoned developer or someone who's still figuring out the ins and outs of algorithms, there's an avenue waiting for you to carve out your own niche. At Legend Finance, our goal is not only to impart knowledge, but also to motivate and encourage our clients. We would like for you to think of the future as a blank canvas, and AI should serve as your paintbrush. Know that even though the tech world may at times appear vast and intimidating, it is also filled with communities of people who started out just like you, wondering where to begin. This is something to keep in mind even though the tech world may at times appear vast and intimidating. As you decide whether or not to take the plunge, it is important that you keep the advice, lessons, and words of encouragement from today close to your heart. At Legend Finance, we promise to be by your side at every turn, cheering each and every one of you on to achieve your goals. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries, keep innovating, and remember to always stay legendary.